Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to exclude something with prompt in with Midjourney. So first of all, I will need you guys to open your browser, go to Midjourney, and as you can see here, all I'm going to do is simply go down and sign in or sign beta. So I'm going to sign in, as you can see here. And now all you need to do is simply log into your account. I will log in through my account with the QR code. So simply I will just go to my device, click on scan QR code, and here we go. So I scanned it. So here we go. It's logging me in and give authorization. The same thing what I'm going to do next is simply go to Discord uh, on my browser and then click on open Discord. So now how we can exclude something and add some stuff to our Midjourney prompt in. Simply what you have to do is go to Midjourney Discord server. And here guys, I will go all the way down and simply, for example, let's say that we want to design something that has a relation with gaming. So slash prompt slash imagine first prompt. And here what I'm going to do is let's start like gaming setup, two monitors, with gaming chair, one keyboard and mouse, and a big screen for PlayStation, and all of that I want it to be only with blue and black colors. So for example, and green, and gray I mean. So and some white. Let's throw white there. All right. So that's how we can exclude stuff in Midjourney prompt in. So now what I'm going to do is high quality and click on enter. Now, what I'm going to do simply is wait until it fully loads. So here we go, guys. Let's wait for it. And it is now waiting to start, as you can see. So it may not take a lot of time. Now it is sending command, as you can see here. All we need to do is simply wait until it sends the command, and then it will start making us the actual image. So let's wait. Sending command. Now it sending it. Now let's start waiting for it to create us the thing. So I think this is it for me. Yeah, this is it for me. So now it will start creating it. And here we go. Now it is at 0%. So let's wait for it until it becomes 100%. So it's collecting data, making sure that the colors are gray, white, and blue, and making sure that they have two monitors. So the bot is actually pretty decent. You just have to give it some time. So 31 now. Okay, they have added like one extra monitor here. Okay, sometimes it can be confused with the prompt that you give, but overall it will be good to go. So now it finishes the image. So let's go all the way down, and here it is, guys. That's actually pretty decent. No, actually that's pretty good. So this is the chair. I mean, yeah, that's good. That's like actually I can get inspired from this. I can get inspired from this setup. The table is white, the keyboard is blue, two screens that are like curved. The PC I think is this one or this one. I don't know which one is the PC, but here it is like the volume. Here's the chair. But yeah, this is exactly what you asked for. Beside the PlayStation, I don't know where the PlayStation is and the big screen is. So I think the big screen is didn't include it over here because it was kind of weird. But yeah, overall that was pretty decent. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.